Good morning, students. Today we will study class 3rd, chapter number 6. Topics are opening a saved document, after that closing existing MS Word. Now, if you want to open any saved document, then what you have to do? If you want to open any saved document which you have saved in your file when you are working in MS Word, suppose that you have make anything you have to make, then you have make and you have create a file and you have saved on it. Then if you want to open that file, then what you have to do, first step is to open a saved document is click on file tab. You have to click on file tab. Okay, you have to click on file tab. Now click on open. The second option is the second step is click on open. Okay, when you will click on open, after that the third one is your file will be open here and you have to select a file. Select a file. Okay, when you open this you have to select a file. When the file has been opened here, you have to select a file. After that click on open button. Click on open button. This is the way you can open any saved document which you have saved in MS Word, and the shortcut key is to open is Ctrl plus O. You have to press Ctrl plus O, then also you can open your file. Okay, when you press Ctrl plus O, after that you have to select a file and then click on open button. Your file will be open here. After that, the next topic which we have to discuss is your closing existing MS Word. Okay, to close a document in MS Word, what you have to do, if you try a closed document without saving MS Word, displays a message box asking if you would like to save the file. If you have not saved the file, save it to exist MS Word. Now what you have to do, click on first, if you are working on this, then what you have to do, first click on फाइल टैब. आपको फाइल टैब में क्लिक करना है. आफ्टर दैट क्लिक ऑन एग्जिट. देन सेकेंड ऑप्शन इज योर क्लिक ऑन एग्जिट. If you are directly doing, if you have, suppose you have written a document, you have opened MS Word and then this is your MS Word. You have written something here, my school name is Imperial, IMPS, ISE. Okay, ISE. You have written this, my school name is Imperial School of Excellence. Then if you want to save, if you want to close this, if you are here, you can see there are three keys given: minimize, maximize and close. If you will click here on close button, which is of red color, if you click here, then you can see the file will be open in front of you like this. Okay, it is of save, don't save and close. Okay, save, don't save and close. This three option will be shown you if you are clicking on this. Okay, after that if you want to save, then you can save from here. If you want to don't save, then you can click on don't save. And the way I have told you, if you want to directly you want to exit the file, then click on file and after that click on exit. Now we will discuss these two topics in our practical class. Okay, see how this works. Okay student, now we will see these two topics practically. We have just now discussed open a saved document and closing an existing MS Word. Okay, if you want to see any file which you have saved, then what you have to do, first of all you have to open your file. Okay, suppose we click on file tab. After that you can open a file from here. Okay, I have saved here. Then there are many files, you can see it, these all are files. Suppose that I have click on new folder, then you can see on new folder. After that when the many files are given here. Okay, then you can, if you want to open these, what you have to do, first you have to open an MS Word. Open this MS Word, then click on File tab. We have click on File tab. Okay, this you can see we have just now we have click on File tab. Now these are the files which we have saved. Okay, these all are files which we have saved. Now if you want to open any file from here, you can select any file. Suppose that I am selecting this one. Okay, then you can click here and see the file will be open like this. Okay, if you are selecting any file, suppose that we have selected any other file, the file is your this one. Okay, this you can see, if I am selecting, the file has been opened. Or you can directly click on these all our files which we have saved on the desktop. Okay, this is the way you can open your file. After that, you can also open by pressing Ctrl O. I have told you can also open the file by pressing Ctrl O. Now close an existing file. This is the file you can see, close an existing. If I want to close this, then what I have to do, I have to first click on File tab. File tab में click करना है. After that, this is your exit. This is your exit. You can I will press here. The file has been closed. Now if you want to open, then I am repeating once again, click on File. After that, select any of the file from here. Okay, then File. After that, click on Open. Then these two files are given here. Then go, you can see these two files are given. Suppose that I am opening this file. Okay, then click on this file. After that, open. Okay, see the file has been open here. This is your file has been open here. And if you want to exit, then click on File and click on Exit. This is the way you can do. You can open your file or you can exit a file which you have opened. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. Your syllabus of unit 2nd has been completed, and in our next class we will discuss chapter number 3 revision. We will start from revision of chapter number 5 and chapter number 6. Thank you.